Hello everyone, my name is เด็กหญิงธนาราดำริ I am 5 years old. I study in kindergarten 4 I อัจฉริยะ3 ภาษา School. Today I will talk about my school. As we all know, school are the place of learning that teach students many things. At my school, อัจฉริยะ3 ภาษา we start the day with example, we sing and national anthem and do exercises. At my school, we study English, Thai, and Chinese. In our classroom, we read books, talk pictures, dance, and sing a song. We also learn how to be kind, sharing others, and take care. I love coming to my school because I learn new things, play with friends, and have fun with my teacher. I am always excited to keep learning every day at my school. Thank